Link against BTC. So for Chainlink against BTC, here we are. Okay, Chainlink, like TRX, has a very high quality descending triangle. Mountain 1, Mountain 2, Mountain 3, pump. And we have two targets for Tron, for Chainlink against BTC. We have targets for Tron. Hey. We have targets for Tron, and we also have targets for Chainlink. Link. Skinny Moon Hunter. Did we? Yes, sir. Chainlink, the targets that we derived on the 10th of February. 21,000 Satoshis and 13,000 Satoshis. This is going to be really, really brutal for Chainlink against BTC. Much more downside is to be expected. 2001, 1003. So the party for Chainlink is on the BTC pair. It's not on the USD pair, but the BTC pair. So why would I be so bearish? Okay, let me just tell you why. Every time we make a rally back up, there's a hard slap, whoop-ha, and we come back down, right? Very hard rally, hard, even harder slap, harder slap. Look at this rally, how bullish it is. Yeah, eventually we got slapped down, whoop-ha, and we're down. So, the whales of our Chainlink, they're already throwing out signs to the universe. And if you can catch it, you will know very likely that the direction is down for Chainlink. It's not up. It's down. Of course, sure, I could be wrong, and we could just have a sudden rally up here, but this is a descending triangle. This is in my opinion, a 10 out of 10 or a 9 out of 10 descending triangle. This is as clear as night and day. Anyone who is if you're a beginner in chart patterns, chart pattern recognition, you will see this immediately. There's some other chart patterns that are a bit more harder to detect, but this is as clear as night and day. The support line is so clear. It's been touched 4 times, cleanly touched 4 times. You don't have to slice through any wicks. There are no wicks for you to slice through. It's as clean as it gets. So yeah, and it's as obvious as it gets. And that's why we have targets for Chainlink against BTC towards the downside. The only question we have is this going to be BTC rising faster than Chainlink? Or is this going to be a very deep drop and Chainlink will drop even more compared to BTC? That's the question that we have. Link against USDT, of course, looks bearish as well. So our guess is much more downside for Chainlink. And again, Chainlink could also be getting a descending triangle over here, right? Mountain 1, Mountain 2, Mountain 3, and we collapse lower probably by May. My guess is probably by May. It could come in March or April, but it's just not looking good to me. Even if you do rally for Chainlink, I would expect us to hit the skinny pink line or go close to the skinny pink line before collapsing further towards the downside. And I would also expect the lows here and here to be taken out, and this would be $7. We may even pop towards $6. So right now we are $16. $16 to $6 is brutal. Yes, another 60%. We've already dropped how many percent? 73%, 62%, another 60%. Okay, that's just going to be so brutal. So yeah, it's just not really looking good at this point of time. And again, the support is flat. It's as flat as pancakes. So yeah, any possibility that this could turn bullish? Yeah, sure, of course. If we could rally our way past the skinny pink line, we slice through it, and then we form some sort of a ascending triangle over here. Value 1. Value 2, but we need to see proper consolidation, and then after that, yeah, we could be breaking up. But as it stands, things are bearish, so I would not be too quick to rush into anything. There could still be some more upside, a rally before we come back down, and even so, even if we do rally, doesn't mean we're going to come back down. We could still break higher. So the question still remains, is this going to continue bearish or bullish? If I had a bull bear slider for Chainlink, I would be 70 bear, 30 bull. The possibility still remains, but things look more bearish than they are bullish. So if anything, the boys and I in Patreon will probably be looking out for shorts for Chainlink. It's just that we gotta get our entries right, because things can always go wrong in the world of trading. So your entries have to be on point so that you can maximize your rewards. Yeah, join us to find out what I'm talking about. That's Chainlink. Moving on would be